So recently I was working on a client test project. In the middle I was doing something, I don't remember what I was doing, but at some point of the project I tried to symmetrize it, and I did using the symmetrize tool. And after that I forgot that I had a shape key enabled, and when I got out of the edit mode it was looking like this. Like, for me it was crazy because, like, look at this. If you are like someone who is doing medical animation or something else, this might be very useful to you, and I used it in the work I did. So you could have a skeleton brain or something and do the visualizing for whatever medical animation or something similar to that. So it was interesting and surprising to me. I hope it was surprising for you too. Have a great day. Happy blending.